Hey, this is Corey with Wilson's Recreation, and I had the opportunity to demo the TGB UTV 1000. Let me tell you what a great experience. This thing packs a serious punch. Powered by an 83 horsepower TGB 1000 power plant, this is the machine that'll get you there. Superior ride quality. This machine can corner and handle like no other in the business. LED headlights, automotive grade paint comes stock with TGB's 3,000 pound winch, backed by a 2-year warranty. Alloy wheels, digital display screen, 4-wheel drive, front and rear differential locks. Seats 3 people, has a dump bed for the rear. As you could tell by all the mud, we really put this machine to the test, and boy did it perform well. TGB makes its own power plant. This features 83 horsepower and driven by a CVT clutch system, backed by a 2-year warranty. This machine is sure to get you where you want to go.